Hello everyone, let's go again. Welcome to the video series on Go programming language, and in this video we are going to talk about how to slice the slices of Go. Now just a recap, in Go programming language, slices are preferred over arrays, and if you are not clear about slices, please see the previous video in this particular series because there I have explained about Go slices. And in this particular video, we are going to talk about how to extract selective information from Go slices. So let's go ahead and start. So in here, I have created a function called slice the slices. I'm calling this function from my main function, and I have created a slice with the make function of type int with length as 8, capacity as 16. All these things I have explained in my previous video. Let's go ahead and print the slice, this empty slice first. And here is how the output look like. Okay. It's all 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So let's insert some data in this particular slice using Go language for loop, and we are going to print the data using Go language range. So let's go ahead and start. So in here, let's first use the for loop to insert some data in this particular slice. So I will use for I colon equal to 0, semicolon, I is less than length of S1, I plus plus. What I'm going to do over here is that I will say S1 of I is equal to I plus 10. Okay, and if I go ahead and print this particular slice, here is how it will look like. Come on, 10 to 17 is the value. Okay, so instead of printing this particular slice in one go, let's use the range to print this slice one by one using index and the value. So we will say for I comma v colon equal to range s1, we'll say fmt, what is happening, println, I'll say index is equal to I comma value is equal to v, and let me get rid of this. Okay, and let me just run this code. You can see that I am getting the print index 0 to 7 and values 10 to 17. Now let's come to the topic of this video, how to slice and extract information from the slices. So if you can recall from my previous video, if you want to assign a slice to a different variable, you can say s1 or s2 colon equal to s1, right? Now let's print s2 instead of s1 over here. So we know what is s1, we will print s2 over here. Okay, yep. And if we print that, S2 will be same what S1 was. Okay, each and every value will be same because we just assigned it. It's just a copy of S1. Okay, now let's talk about a very interesting thing called bracket colon. Okay, this is not a standard name. I have made it up because of what I'm gonna do now. So instead of saying S2 colon equal to S1, we can say bracket, and inside that we can say colon. If you go ahead and run this particular code, the output will remain the same. Nothing will change. Okay. Now, here is what the meaning of this. The meaning of colon is that include everything that is there in S1 slice. Okay. Include everything. That is the meaning of colon. Now, with this colon, you can give a number before this and after this. The before this and after this is a range which will be extracted to create S2. Okay, and that particular range is inclusive exclusive. I will tell you what is the meaning of inclusive exclusive. So let's assume that I write 0 and 4 over here. Okay, now 0 is included. These are indexes. 0 and 4 are indexes. 0 is included, 4 is excluded. Index number 4 is excluded, which means that index number 0 is included, 1 is included, 2 is included, 3 is included but 4 is excluded. Okay, so let's go ahead and print the S2 now. Here is how it will look like. 0, 1, 2, 3 index is included to create S2. So basically I have taken a slice called S1. I have extracted a part of S1 and given that into S2, and here is how my S2 looks like. Okay, it is very simple guys, and if you have worked with Python, the NumPy arrays, the slicing works in exactly the same way. Similarly, we can say 2 to 5. The meaning of 2 means index number 2 is included but index number 5 is not. So the S2 will contain values from index number 2, 3 and 4. And if we go ahead and print this, here is what we will see. Here it is printing 0, 1, 2 index because it is index of S2. But in index 0 we got value 12, which is the index 2 of the S1. Okay, in the S1 you remember first value was 10, second was 11, third was 12, which is the second index that is included till fourth index. So always remember, whenever you are doing slicing, it is inclusive and exclusive, which means that number 2 is included, number 5 is excluded, the index number 2 and 5. Okay, now let's talk about something more interesting. What if I say 2 colon and I do not provide any number? Okay, what is the meaning of this? This is a valid syntax. The meaning of this is that start with index number 2 and go till the end. So if I go ahead and run this code, it will start from index number 2 and it will go till the end, which is the 17. Okay, index 7. So if you do not specify, remember initially we just said colon. Colon means go from start to end. So if we specify the left side index but not the right side index, the starting index will be this number and it will go till the end. Similarly, if I say 0 colon nothing, it will copy each and every element from 0th index. You can see over here. Now, what if I omit left side index but add, right side index? The inclusive exclusive property doesn't change, which means that index number 4 will be included, but it will be from the beginning of this particular slice, which means that index number 0, 1, 2 and 3 will be there. Index number 4 will not be there. If I go ahead and run this particular code, here is the output. 0, 1, 2, 3 index is there, not the 4th. Similarly, we can give 7. It will have till 6th index. Okay, 7 is excluded. So if you put a number on the left side of the colon, it is included. Right side of the colon, it is excluded. So this is one interesting topic of Go slices I wanted to touch base upon in one specific video. That's all for today's video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will meet again, and till the next time we meet, good day, goodbye. You take care.